I braided my one inch long hair, natural hair. Very pleased with the results. I will show you a contrasting picture of what this hair looked like a few weeks ago when it was cut to my scalp, and I've been using onion oil actually, to bathe the scalp, rinse it, cleanse it with shampoo, then bathe it with onion oil, and sometimes a bit of rosemary in with it. And I should say this is about 2 months growth, 2 to 3 months growth, and I'm pleased to keep watching as I go on this journey of growing my hair, my natural hair, not using any attachments, any extensions, only naturally using natural remedy. And in this case I've been using juiced onion with olive oil and bathing the scalp with it once a week, and this is the result that I've got. Really nice clean scalp. My hair actually started to fall out in February of this year, en masse actually. Quite frightening. If you see some of the pictures posted from before, and you can see my face, you can see the energy coming from my face and my eyes, how super pleased I am with the fact that I've used just the onion oil and olive oil and some natural spray with water to accomplish this result in this amount of time. I'm just super pleased. Please comment if you're struggling with anything like hair falling out, alopecia. I was heartbroken to begin with, to tell the honest truth. I mean, heartbroken when I saw the bald patches coming up in my head, and what am I going to do, and persevering. I don't believe in wearing wigs, so that was a challenge. Like, so you're not going to wear a wig, you're just going to believe the word of God that says, you anoint my head with oil, my cup runneth over. You're wonderfully and marvelously made, so you're going to just stick with that. And what about your dignity? What about your femininity? You're just going to keep on going with this oil, and just eventually I thought maybe I could get some braids in. And as you see, I've been able to braid. The braids look really good. They're clean, and I think when you can get the braids going and trap that oil, your natural oil plus the oil from whichever oil you choose to use, once you start doing that, you'll be really super pleased. So thank you. It's a short video, but I hope it encourages someone. Thank you.